Hey everybody, welcome back. In the last episode with this Derby, I cleaned up this frame and then I slapped this variant frame onto the Revo engine and subframe. Today I got some EBR hydros from Atomos and I want to put them on this, but the stem isn't long enough and it's also the wrong size, so I think the easiest way to do this, the easiest way to get this on the Derby is to cut the stem off the Derby Triple Tree and weld it to this one. Alright, first thing I gotta do is get the race from the Derby to fit on this. So we have to remove this race from the Derby one. The easiest way is to kind of pry it up. But remember, you don't want to pry it, you just want to kind of press it up using a screwdriver or something. Maybe get one on each side. There we go. I'm gonna compare this with a Puch. So this is 27.5 millimeters, and a Puch is 27, a little bit less. This part is super fun. You just have to tap around the edges. Oh, there we go. Perfect. All right. That'll sit right there. Perfect. Aha! Perfect. This pipe cutter comes in handy so often. Alright, there we go. Alright, on the top of the stem, there's this weird race bearing combination. Over here you can see I took it apart. This goes underneath the top triple tree clamp. And so I'm actually going to try to turn this nut down on this end so this side fits over here, and then cut this off to make it a shorter assembly. Alright, that looks pretty good. I'm at 30 millimeters right now, so I got to go 4 more down. Oh, perfect! Look at that. So that's going to fit just like that. Now I need to cut the top of this off. There we go. Alright, so now this top nut is a lot smaller and fits right in. So that should work really well. So that'll be really nice too. So I got this little nut retainer piece, all machined, is really nice. And this is the stem from the Derby Triple Tree. And so my idea was to weld this on top of the EBR stem and get the proper length. One thing I did just notice is that even with this nut turned all the way down, it's not long enough. And I didn't realize that. So the easiest way to fix this, I think, is to thread this stem further. And I do not know how to thread on my lathe. I know I can do it, but I've never done it. So I'm gonna learn how to thread and thread this thing further down and see if that works out, and then weld this on, and it should be good to go.